Hey, I'm sorry that your volume wasn't working, but I'm just going to give you a quick rundown as to what we did in class today. So the first thing was kids pulled this up and they made a copy. So you go to File, make a copy, and then you would make a copy here, and that way you could edit it. And that is so you can have it forever and ever, because we're going to continue to add to this. So for instance, right now we have all these things. The default ones are going to show up no matter what. And then today in lesson 3, they're going to talk about the paragraph tag, which is basically starting a new line in your code. So then the next one in paragraph in lesson 4 is going to talk about the heading tags. And this is the largest heading. And this one would be your smallest heading. And it's just going to basically be like the size of those of that text. There's actually headings 2, 3, 4, and 5, but it just depends. So the largest would be 1, then they would go all the way to the smallest 6. And that is basically the size of the text on the page. And you would group it like kind of like an outline. Okay, so let's take a look at what we did in 3. So on this one, I'm going to go ahead and just start it back at the beginning. And it tells us on this one that we need to put like three sentences in the body. The body, that means between the 2 body tags. So the body tag is, let's see in just a second. It pops up here. So here. So I would write, I love cats. My cat's name is Grim, and my cat is Orange. And notice, even though I'm hitting enter and moving to the next line, over here it is all in one line. Okay, so I did that. I put my 3 sentences in, and then I'm going to click finish. So then it's going to go to the next one, and it's going to say, okay, we want those to be in different lines. So in order to get it to put it in different lines, we're going to add the paragraph tag in. So the paragraph tag is going to go in front of and behind the things that you want to have its own line. So I'm going to put a paragraph tag here. So open paragraph. And then a closed paragraph tag is the one that has the slash in front of it. And that is going to move to where it has its own line. So paragraph, open paragraph, closing paragraph tag. The next one, opening paragraph, and then closing paragraph tag. And notice right now I don't have the ending of that, like that last, like greater than or least sign. So notice these things are pink right here. That shows that there's an error. So now there is no error and we are done. So that's how you would fix this one. You would make them all their own. And the last one is just debugging. So you're putting each of the different things, you're following what the sentence says. So it says something along the lines of like, this one should be its own sentence. Here it is. It's going to pop up here. It's taking a second. So this sentence should be on its own. So should this one. What's wrong with this sentence? And you're going to have to fix the errors in your code over here in order to make them be on their own line and look like this in the end without any pink over here. All right, so that is lesson 3 in a nutshell. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and put this on your email.